Next problem. Okay, we're gonna solve with the entries with refund and shortage. Okay, shortage ಮತ್ತೆ refund ಇರೋದನ್ನ problems na solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. See in this problem, okay, so hope I had cleared the weighted average last problem. Any doubts? Let me know. Last problem ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ? Hope I had cleared the concept. Okay, let's move on to the problem 9. Show that ledger accounts as they would appear when by using simple average method and the weighted average method of pricing issue from the following data. So they are telling that we need to make, okay, we need to do simple average and weighted average. Okay, so June 1 we have an opening stock of rupees. Okay, it is 300 units. Rate per unit is 2 rupees. Therefore there is no GRN number. Okay, it is quantity is 300 units. Okay, at a rate of rupees 2 it is 600. Is it clear? Sorry, it should be in the stock balance. Why? Because it is a opening stock. Okay, it is not a purchasers. Okay, next June 22nd, June 2 we have a purchases of how many units? 200 units at a rate of rupees at a rate of rupees 2.2. Okay, yesterday purchases, so we have purchased how many units? It is 200 units at a rate of rupees 2.2. Okay, or 2.20, both are same, is equal to 440. Therefore there is no issues on that day. Okay, now we are doing simple average. Therefore it is 300 plus 200 is equal to 500. Is it clear? Okay, what is the cost? Now 600 plus 440, it is 1040. Directly I'm taking, okay, 1040. Next, okay, June 4th. Okay, June 4th we have issue of 150 units. Okay, we have issue of 150 units. Now, okay, see how many units? It is 150 units. As you know that, okay, as you know that we are going to do with simple average. Okay, where 150 is included here. Now I need to find out rate per unit. Okay, how I need to find out the rate per unit? I need to calculate on the basis of average rate. Therefore it is 2 plus okay, it is 2 plus 2.20 divided by 2. So therefore it is 2.1. Is it clear? 2.1 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ? ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ. ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 300 ಇದೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೇಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನಾನು ಬರೀ 2 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೋದಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ವಿತ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆವರೇಜ್ ವೇರ್ ದ ಆವರೇಜ್ ರೇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಈ 300 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೇಟ್, ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ನೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ನಾವು ಹೌ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ 2.1? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Had taken the rates, average rates. Therefore average rate means, but already we have opening stock, it is 2 rupees, and we had also purchased, we have 2.20. Therefore divided by 2 it is 2.1. Is it clear? 2.1 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ? Is it clear? Therefore it will fetch you 315. Okay, now therefore 500 minus 150, it is 350. So what is the cost? I don't know. I need not to calculate because I'm following what? Simple average. Okay, therefore 1040 minus 350. Okay, 315, you will get to know 725. Is it clear? Okay, is it clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Next one. Okay, June 6th we have a purchases of 200 units at a rate of rupees 2.3. Purchases, there is no GRN number for it. How many units we have purchased? 200 units. Okay, what is the cost of it? It is 2.3, therefore it will fetch you 460. Okay, there is no issues on that day. Okay, now 350 plus 200, you will get to know 550. Okay, and 725 plus 460, you will get to know 1185. Is it clear? Next, June 11th. June 11th, we have a issues of how many units? It is 150 units. Now the rate should be taken. There is no issues on that day. Okay, now what is the quantity I need to issue? I need to issue 150 units. Therefore, what is the rate per it is? Okay, the rate per unit is 2 plus 2.2 plus 2.3 divided by 3 is equal to 2.3. Check it out. 2 plus 2.2 plus 2.3. ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಸರ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೂರನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. We have purchased 3 units. Okay, so I need to take the rate, average rate of it. Is it clear? Is it clear? Check it out. 2 plus 2.2 plus 2.3 divided by 3. So it is 2.17. Sorry, it is 2.17. Is it clear? Or 2.116? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Next one. Okay, what is the amount? 150. Okay, 150 into 2.17. It is 325.5. It is nothing but 326. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 326 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ? Now for 550, okay, 550 minus, okay, 150. 550 minus 150, it is 400 units. Sorry, we have a shortage. See, we have a shortage on June 10th. Okay, just a minute. Okay, June 6th ಆಯ್ತು. June 6th ಇಂದ June 6th ತನಕ is it clear? Purchases ತನಕ June 6th ತನಕ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Is it clear? June 6th. Okay, next one. See, June 10th. Okay, June 10th we have shortage. Okay, the stock verification report, the sacrification report reveals that shortage on June 10th is 10 units and 20 units. Okay, so 20 units. Okay, only shortage is there. See, it is goes like this. Take down the shortage of the stock sacrification record reveals the shortage on 10th and 29th. 10th and 29th. Okay, 29th of June, it is 10 units and 20 units. Therefore 10th we have a shortage. Okay, June 10th. June 10th ಎಷ್ಟು units ಇದೆ? Okay, shortage. Okay, how many units? It should be issued. Issue ಆಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್? 10 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ರೇಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೇಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸಿ 2 plus, okay, 2.20 plus 2.3 divided by 3 is equal to 2.17. For 10 into 2.17, it is 22. Next, therefore remaining is 550 minus 10, you will get to know 540. Therefore the rate will not be considered. Why? Because we are doing simple average. Therefore 540. Okay, next 1185 minus 22. Okay, it is 1163. Is it clear? Is it clear? Shortage ಇದೆ, shortage na issue ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. Is it clear? Okay, next one. June, we have shortage ಆಯ್ತು. Next June 11th. Okay, June 11th we have issues. Okay, we have issues of how many units? I need to check it out. Okay, so how many issues we have? Okay, issues is 200 units. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು issues ಇದೆ? 200 units ಇದೆ. Therefore, okay, 200 units. What is the rate per unit? It is nothing but already calculated. It is 2.17. Why? Because see, ಇದು ಇನ್ನ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ 300 units ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ 2 ಬಿಡಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು. See, ಇದು already 150 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನ 150 ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. 160 ಹೋಗಿದೆ. Therefore remaining is 140 units ಇದೆ. So I need to take this 3 digits ನು ತಗೊಬೇಕು. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಇದೇನ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this still will not be considered. Okay, therefore 200 into 2.17, it is 326. Okay, now what is the balance? Balance is 540 minus 540 minus 200. Okay, you'll get to know it is 340. Just a minute. 11 we have issues. Issues is 200. Eleventh, it is 150 units. 150 units at a rate of rupees 2.1. It is 326. Therefore, remaining is okay 540 minus 150. It is 390. Okay. Therefore, it is 837. Okay. Is it clear? Next, we are entering for June 19th. So in the June 19th, we have issues around 200. See, already ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು first. I need to check it out whether I have cleared the first stock or not. Okay, first stock is 300 units. Okay, whether I need to check whether I had cleared or not. Okay, so June 19th we have issues. How many issues? Okay, June 19th we have issues is 200 units. Now check whether we had cleared this stock or not. See, I had already issued 150 units and here 150 units. Therefore, I had already issued 310 units. Therefore, it is cleared. Andre stock ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. Opening stock already ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ rate ನ ignore ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Now, how I need to calculate the rate? Now, the rate goes on like this. 2.3. Okay, first one which is purchased for 2.2 plus 2.3. Okay, divided by 2. Check it out. What is the rate? (2.2) plus 2.3 divided by 2. It is 2.25. Is it clear? Therefore, 200 into 2.25, it is 450. Now, therefore, 390 minus 200, it is nothing but 190. Therefore, the cost is 450 minus 837, it is 387. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ? See, rate na confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡಿ. Next, June 22nd. Okay, June 22nd we have purchase of how many units? 200 units at a rate of rupees 2.4. Okay, so we have purchased how many units? It is 200 units. What is the rate per unit? Okay, the rate per unit is 2.4 is equal to 480. Okay, there is no issues on that day. Next, 190 plus 200, it is nothing but 390. Therefore, 387 plus 480, it is nothing but 867. Is it clear? Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Is I making some sense? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Guys, do respond. People are getting or not? Okay. Next one. So till we did June 22nd. Now we are going for June 27. Okay. So June 27 we have what? We have issues. Issues is 250. Okay. June 27 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ issues 250 ಇದೆ. Okay. Now rate ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Go back to first. Okay. See earlier we have ಇದು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Next we had purchased 200 units. ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ಸಿ ಇದು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Now the remaining is this unit. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 300 ತಂದಿದ್ದೆ. 300 ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 150 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 150 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಗೇನ್ 10 ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 200 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ 200 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಎರಡು ಹೊಲ್ಟೋಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಇದು 2.3 ಒಂದು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2.4 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ 2.3 ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್. Okay, see in the problem we have a refund. Okay, we have a refund. There was a refund of the work order. It is 25th. Okay, 25th we have a refund. Therefore I can't able to issue here. I need to make an one more column for refund. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ refund ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. June 25th we have a refund. Refund of how many units? Okay, we got a refund. Check it out in the problem. So we have a refund of the surplus of 20 units. Okay, from a work order which is issued in the earlier is okay 4th of July. 4th July ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ ರೀಫಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. 4th July ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ? 2.1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? therefore ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ? 20 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ at a rate of rupees 2.1. therefore 20 into 2.1 it is 42. ಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ, ಜಂಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಜಂಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so we are facing the issues. While writing the problem you make the problem in the chronological order ಅಥವಾ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಅಕ್ಕರ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೂನ್ 10th ಒಂದಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಜೂನ್ 25th ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜೂನ್ 29th ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋನಾ ಡೂ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವನು ಸೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಫಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ರೀಫಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 20 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ 390 plus 20 it is 410. Okay, now what is the cost of it? Therefore 867 plus 42 it is 909. Now is it clear? Artha aita refund. Next we have issues. So issues we have 27th. Okay, 25th do clear aito. We have 27 ಎಷ್ಟು issues ಇದೆ? 250 units. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 250 units. Now rate per unit. Okay, as already said, see 300 ತಂದಿದೆ, ಇದು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. Okay, 150 ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. Next again had purchased 200 units. ಈ 200 units already ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಯಿತು. The remaining is 2.3 plus 2.4 plus 2.1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? See 2.3 plus 2.4 okay plus 2.1 divided by 3. Is it clear? Is equal to 2.3 plus 2.4 okay 2.3 plus 2.4 plus 2.1 it is 2.27. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2.27 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ? Therefore 250 into 2.27 it is 568. Okay, therefore remaining is 410 minus 250 it is 160 units. Now 909 minus 568 it is 341. Is it clear? See, I took the refund rate also. Okay, is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ 867 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ 387 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 480 is equal to 867. Is it clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ ಜಾನ್ 27 ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಸಾರಿ ಜೂನ್ 27 ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Next we have June 28. ನನಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? 200 units. Okay, 28 we have purchases of how many units? 200 units. Okay, at a rate of rupees 2.5 it is 500. Now again we have this one. What is that? 160 plus 200 it is nothing but 360. There is no issues on that day. Now 341 plus 500 it is nothing but 841. Is it clear? Okay, next June 20 June. Okay, we have one more. Okay, June 29th. Okay, June 29th. Okay, June 29th ಏನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? We found a shortage. Okay, June 29th we have a shortage. Okay, so shortage ಯಾವ ತರ we'll gonna consider for issues. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು units shortage ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ? See, we found that 20 units. Okay, June 10th ಮತ್ತೆ June 29th ಏನಿದೆ? 20 units ಇದೆ. So therefore how many units? It is 20 units. Rate per unit we need to calculate. Now in order to calculate we need to check it out. Okay, so first this 2 units are see already 300 purchase ಮಾಡಿದೆ. This already 150 ಹೋಗಿದೆ, 150 ಹೋಗಿದೆ, 300 ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Next again 200 purchase ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Okay, this 200 are already issued here. Okay, now again I have purchased 200 units. Okay, this is also cleared here. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 150 ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 200 ಹೋಗಿದೆ. Next again I have purchased 200 units. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, 2.1 plus 2.4 plus 2.5. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಈ 3 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. Therefore it is 2.4 plus 2.1 plus 2.5 divided by 3 is equal to okay 2.33. Therefore 20 units into 2.33 it is 47. Is it clear? 47 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಸಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ತಂದಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 300 ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಸಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 300 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, 150 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, 150 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ 200 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ 200 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Next I had purchased 200 units. This 200 units already okay ಇಲ್ಲಿ clear ಆಗಿದೆ. Next I had only this 3. Okay, ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು? This 3. this 3 average ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, the average of these 3. Okay, therefore it is okay. Now 360 minus 20 is equal to 340. Therefore 841 minus 47, it is 794. Okay, next. Okay, is it clear? Shortage ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, it is issues. Refund ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, it is purchase. Okay, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Next one, June 30th we have a issues of 150 units. Okay, issues ಇದೆ. What are the issues? Okay, 150. Therefore rate we need to check it out. Okay, see ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 200 units already ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, the same rate ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, the same rate. See this 3 ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ. Okay, ಈ 3 rate ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ 2.33. Okay, now it is 150 into 2.33, it is 350. Therefore remaining is 150 minus 340, it is 190. Therefore it is 794 minus 350, it is 444. Is it clear? See, is it clear? Problem ನೋಡಿ ಏನನ್ನ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. See, first ಇಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನನ್ನ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ರಾನಾಲಜಿಕಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಏನನ್ನ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? Where you are facing issues, let me know. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? Can I proceed with weighted average? Okay, so next one. On the weighted average, we're going to calculate the rates on the basis of weight. Okay, weight basis ಮೇಲೆ calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Now the first one, okay, we have opening stock of rupees 300 units at a rate of rupees, okay, at a rate of rupees 2, it is 300 into 2, it is 600. Next we have purchases. We have purchased unit into 2.2, it is 440. There is no issues on that day. Okay, now 300 plus 200, it is 500. Therefore 440 plus 600, it is 1040. Okay, rate na ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. See, in the next we have issues, so I had calculated. Therefore 1040 divided by 500, it is 2.08. Is it clear? 2.08 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ? 1040 divided by 500. Next, okay, we have June 4th, we have issues of 150 units. Okay, how many units? It is 150 units. Okay, what is the rate? It is 2.08. Therefore 150 into 3.02, 2.08, it is 312. Therefore 500 minus 150, it is 350. Okay, see, next we have purchases, so rate na calculate ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Okay, direct agi 350 into next, sorry, 1040 minus 3112, it is 728. Is it clear? Okay, next June 6th. Okay, June 6th we have purchases. How many units we have purchases? See, we have purchases of 200 units. Okay, we have purchases of 200 units at a rate of rupees 2.3. It is 460. Okay, there is no issues on that day. Next, 350 plus 200, it is 550. Okay, next 460, sorry, 728 plus 460, it is 1188. It is 1188. Is it clear? ಓಕೆ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರೇಟ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ 1188 divided by 550 you will get to know 2.16. next, okay, see, it is revealed that we have a shortage is in June 10th we have 10 units. okay, June 10th ಏನಿದೆ 10 units ಇದೆ. okay, so therefore ಎಷ್ಟು unit shortage ಇರೋದು 10 units. we should be considered in the form of what? It's in the form of this one. And what is that? Issues. Therefore rate is 10 into 2.1, therefore it is 22. okay, therefore remaining will be 550 minus 10, it is 540. therefore, okay, so what is the rate? 1118 minus 22, it is 1166. therefore 1000 next issues ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ rate calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 1166 divided by 540, it is 2.16. is it clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದಾನೇ ರೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಜೂನ್ 11 ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ? you need to check out the problem. So in the problem we had that specified June 11th we have issues of, okay, we have issues of 150 units. okay, ಎಷ್ಟು issues ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ? 150 units. therefore there is no purchases on that day. okay, quantity is 150 units. what is the rate per unit? I need to calculate. okay, how I need to calculate? it is already calculated here. okay, therefore 150 into 2.16, it is 540 minus, okay, 150, it is 390. okay, 390. therefore 1166 minus 324, it is 842. okay, now 842 divided by 390. why I am calculating? next we have issues ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. therefore 842 divided by 390, it is 2.16. is it clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? any doubts? let me know. okay, next we have June 19th. okay, June 19th we have issues of how many units? 200 units. okay, see, June 19th we have issues of how many units? okay, it is 200 units. rate per unit is 2.16, which is already calculated here. ನಾನು already calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. okay, therefore 2.16, it is 200 into 2.16, it is 432. okay, next we need to check it out. see, earlier we have 390 minus 200 will get to know 190. okay, next purchase ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರೇಟ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. therefore 432 minus 842, okay, it is 410. is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? okay, next we have 22nd. so 22nd we have purchases of 200 units. so 22nd we have purchases of 200 units. okay, it is rate per unit is 2.4. so 200 units at a rate of rupees 2.4, it is 480. there is no issues on that day. next we have, see, 190 units plus 200, you will get to know 390. Therefore, 480 plus 410 is equal to 890. Okay, next we have refund. Okay, so it is nothing but, as you know, that refund will be considered in the form of receipts. Okay, so in the problem that specified the refund of how many units? It is 20 units. Okay, refund of 20 units which was issued on 4th. Okay, ನಾನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು 4th ಗೆ 2.08 ಇದೇ ರೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಬೇಕು. How many units? It is 20 units. Okay, rate ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವತ್ತು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ನಾನು? See, on the day I had issued for 2.08. Now the same rate will be considered 2.08. Therefore, 20 into 2.08, it is 42. Therefore, okay, therefore 390 plus 20, you will get to know 410. Okay, 890 plus 42, okay, it is 932. Is it clear? Therefore, next we have issues. We need to calculate rate per unit. 932 divided by 410, okay, it is 2.27. Is it clear? Okay, next. Okay, we have issues. How many issues? We need to check it out. So we have issues of how many units? Okay, 250 units. Okay, how many units? So 250 units. So therefore 250 units, I need to check it out. I need to issue. Therefore, there is no purchases on that day. Okay, how many units? It is 250 units. What is the rate? Rate is 2.27, which is already calculated, which is already I had calculated. Therefore, 250 into 2.27, it is 568. Okay, now 410 minus 250, you will get to know 160. Okay, 932 minus, okay, 932 minus 568, okay, it is 160, it is 364. Okay, next purchases irodrinda I won't calculate the rate. Okay, next we have purchases. Okay, what we have purchased? We have purchased 200 units at a rate of rupees 2.5. So we have purchases. How many units we have purchased? 200 units at a rate of rupees 2.5. Okay, it is 500 rupees. Okay, there is no issues on that day. Next, 200 plus 160, it is 360. Therefore, 500 plus 364, it is 864. Is it clear? Next, we have shortage. I need to calculate the rate. Therefore, rate is equal to okay, 20, see the shortages of the 29th is 20 units. Okay, so therefore the shortage will be treated in the form of what? In the form of issues. It is 20 units. What is the rate per unit, which is already had calculated here? See, I had calculated 2.4. Therefore 20 into 2.4, it is 48. Okay, now 360 minus 20, you will get to know 340. Therefore it will, okay, next we have issues. I need to calculate the rate. Okay, therefore 864 minus 48, it is 816. Therefore 816 divided by 340, it is 2.4. 816 divided by 340, yes, it is 2.4. Next, again we have issues. Okay, how many units we have issues? We have issues of 150 units. Okay, so there is no purchases on the day. Next, we have 150 issues. Therefore, rate is, which is already I had calculated here, it is 2.4. Therefore, 150 into 2.4, it is 360. Therefore, 340 minus 150, you will get to know 190. Okay. Next, 816 minus, okay, 816 minus 360, it is 456. Is it clear?